up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are here again on another beautiful day of fishing. I tried to get out here early but could not, so I'm still out here and I'm just going to do the best I can of the situations I'm in, especially here in the California Delta when it is a holiday. We are launched at Paradise Point. It's in a kind of close to my house, I guess. Had very great luck here, obviously from a tournament standpoint and as well as from a recreational standpoint. I got a couple rods tied up, got heavy top water, got frog, got some moving baits, some bladed jigs, and also some finesse baits also. Just try out, see what fish wants, and hopefully I get a good bite today. Tide is going down. I believe it just started up like around, high tide was a peak like around 7 o'clock. It is going down. It's going to get hit peak low tide all the way in the bottom like around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock ish here on the California Delta. So we'll see how the tide affects the bite. Glad to take you guys with me. Hope you guys like and subscribe and help out my channel a lot, and we'll see how we do today. See if we can generate a bite on a high tide. Let's bait first. Damn it. Maybe it's time to let go of this buzzbait. Nice fish. Looks very fishy. Buzzbait worthy, as per se. Seems like a very fishy area. Kind of just tucked away in little coves. Tucked away toolies. Where's my buzzbait not buzzbaiting? Alright, I'm giving up on buzzbait. Yes, skunks off the boat. Caught a toolie. Yes. That's a giant. I know we need a good size. We need the good ones. Whoa, that's sick. You just saw that? I don't know what that was. I think that was an osprey. Just dive in, just swoop on a fish that I could have caught, but I did not. Deeper waters, somewhat deep waters, still visible for about 4 feet. A tiny one. Man, that was like almost its the popper size. I'm just very confident that getting this bait. Or maybe they're not trying to kill it, they're just hitting it to see if they can get it. That's hot. Oh shit. Thank you. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was freaking awesome. That was awesome. California Delta, baby. Yes. Right by the boat. Ooh. So they are. Ooh. That was sick. chatterbait action here. Gotta go to emergency back at the ramp because I don't feel like losing a suck today. So, and I'm just fishing this little areas that I'm usually fish. I caught my last fish here, so maybe I can replicate some luck. So we're gonna see if we can generate a bite and at low tide, trying to get better at that situation, especially maybe sometimes during tournament days that it's going to start low tide. You're going to figure out how to locate and catch fish on a low tide. Tiny one. Yeah, big one. Couple dinks, but I got a 20 incher. Yeah, all the way down there though. Have a good day. Yeah. Good luck. Delta Special. There we go. Delta Dink. Oh, there you go. Yes. Oh, dude. It's just the plethora of fish today. Plethora. It's totally two different things. Wow. I just only fish to find fish, right? Should have just stayed here. Oh. Right. Got a flurry of bites, huh? Right here. Ooh. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Nice. A fat one. Hey, bent my hook. Oh, nice one. All right, folks, that is it for today. Today's fishing, kind of a slow day. Didn't really know what to expect, really, but I just want to get out of here. I did catch a really good topwater bite. That was epic, right by the boat. Kind of just smacked my whopper popper, and it was a good fight. It was fun. Got a flurry in the end, a couple dinks, a lot of dinks actually, and also just a couple keepers in the end with the crankbait, just a little confidence bait. It was overall fun. Tide was going down, but got my flurry when the tide was going up. So it's kind of a pattern, just in the little breaks leads up to the weed line. So kind of cast my crankbait over there and got a flurry of bites. So I thought that was an awesome pattern to figure out. Kind of tested it out, but it was only on that spot at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, it was a great day of fishing. It was fun. Glad to take you guys with me. Like the video and like and subscribe, help on my channel a lot. And we'll see you next time.